Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aquarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have Five of Swords in reverse, Knight of Pentacles and Three of Cups. So Aquarius, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in this relationship, you are facing a lot of stressful circumstances. You are working hard, trying everything, trying your best, doing your best, making a lot of efforts, and you want success. You want to progress towards the dreams you have, and you are a really responsible person. So whatever you take up, it may be in your work or it may be in your personal life, whatever choices you make, you stand by those choices and you work hard, make efforts to see it through, to succeed in whatever you choose, guys. But today there are certain things certain things are troubling you, guys, Aquarius. So it may be some delays or suspensions you may see in your work situation, or some kind of arguments or stress, anxiety in this relationship. And you are also someone who is really kind and helpful, maybe to the people around you. You help them in every possible way, maybe with your knowledge, guidance, you support their dreams, or you give them valuable guidance, guys, Aquarius. So people look up to you as a friendly person. So it may be true in your work situation and the same for your relationship, guys. So this person you love, they may see you as a friend first, then as the person they love. So you are really friendly, guys, Aquarius. And today in your situation, whatever it is, maybe it may be some projects or offers in your work or some happy news in your relationship. You are celebrating something, guys, something you are really happy about. So certain things are falling into place, maybe because of the efforts you are making today, guys, Aquarius. You are someone who's really dedicated, just like I told you. So all your efforts are not going for a waste. So there is some happy news and you're celebrating with your friends or family. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. Now we have Four of Wands, again a card for celebration. So maybe in this relationship, in this love, you are maybe planning a wedding, or you are planning an engagement, or you are getting married. So some kind of a positive news, a good news in love, guys. Maybe this person loves you, they are proposing to you, or you love them and you are proposing to them. So some celebration, happiness is what I see in your relationship, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the Devil. So in your work situation, guys, you are making relentless efforts. You want to succeed and you're really working hard today, making your doing a lot of work. But whatever is supposed to reach you today, guys, it is reaching you. So maybe for some of you it may be success, or for some of you you may see some delays or suspensions, but you need not worry guys, your hard work will surely pay off, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now guys. For your love reading guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card guys. It is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card guys, maybe in your situation today you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today guys in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers, and this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity guys. And also with this card guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today guys. So that is the reading with this card guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the Children of Lyre. So with this card guys, the energy is that you, all of us guys, not only you, all of us, we are first of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life, this small lifetime, this is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having guys on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So, this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For what to say, it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for y'all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.